Hey there YouTube, I'm stuck in the past and well, I found another amazing deal. So more equipment just came to the farm. It's actually a pretty big deal this time because this is a keystone piece. So come see me and how we get this thing off the trailer because I'm alone today. So we're going to figure it out. Well, I would say don't try that at home because that was really reckless, but you know, it actually worked out really well, and I think that's my problem. I do this sort of crap all the time, and then it works out perfectly. So that was a little sketchy, but it came down and never contacted anything, and actually cleared even the lower ramp. So it's off, which is awesome. So let's get this old girl put someplace and let's check her out real quick, even though it's windy and freezing out here. So this particular model of baler does not have a swinging tongue. So the way you get around offsetting the baler is actually to set it on the drawbar further over. So I'm actually going to try that real quick. I'm just curious exactly how far over we can get it. I think we might have plenty of room here, so let's see what happens. That helps exponentially. So my pickup is about over here, but then all the way over here I still have plenty of clearance. So that gets me over plenty. And then I think what I'm going to do for road travel is set her all the way over to the other side of that drawbar. And that way I can center the machine a little bit more with the tractor. I don't have to worry too much about it hanging over so far and clipping mailboxes. So just for fun, let's see exactly how well this thing works. Or at least, let's see if it'll start spinning over. I did it by hand and it seemed to move real freely and comfortably. So let's see what happens when we engage the PTO. Well, it looks like it's going like it's supposed to anyway. There's the plunger going back and forth. Sounds good. No weird noises or anything. See if we can see the crankshaft for the plunger. There she goes, big bastard. Looking pretty good. So this particular style of baler doesn't use an auger, but instead uses these tines in conjunction with the plunger. Now it's extremely important for it all to stay timed. As you can see, one of those sets of tines goes right in front of the plunger before it makes its stroke. So it is critical that it does not jump time. Looks like I'm going to have to do some yard organizing here shortly. Starting to run out of space. But I guess that's not a bad thing. So anyway, here it is, the final piece of the operational puzzle, a hay baler. So my next video is probably going to be going over this thing, greasing everything, and just trying to figure it out. Because for me, knotters are still black magic. Still trying to figure out how that works. I cycled the system a couple of times just to watch, and you know, it only goes about the speed of lightning, so we'll have to do a little bit of research. I've got a parts book coming. Hopefully in the owner's manual it'll have some definitions on how to work this thing. So other than that, we're here. So hopefully you'll join me and we'll do a lot of learning together. So join me for the next one. We've got some stuff coming up now that has to do with maintenance and fixing. So we're going to probably get the hay bine in here and fix a blown out bearing on that and go through it, get it ready for winter. And then that baler, we're going to bring that in here and we're going to see exactly what it's made out of, go through it with a fine-tooth comb and make sure that we've got everything we need on it. And hopefully we'll be ready to roll next season. There's a few things on the parts list I've already got for it, so we'll see if we can add to it. Hopefully it won't get too much. So anyway, this has been Stuck in the Past. I'll catch you guys on the next one.